Good morning, everyone. I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed total theorem related problems up to 94 in level 2. Now 95. Read the question first. There are two bags, one of which contains three black and four white balls. Other contains four black and three white balls. First, we want to note that bags. So here, uh, bags names I am writing here. A1, this is bag 1. A2, this is second bag. What are the colors? Black and white. 3 black, 4 white. And the second bag, 4 black, 3 white. Next, a die is cast if face 1 or 3 turns up, a ball is taken from the first bag. Here we are rolling a die. Face 1 or 3 turns up means a ball is taken from the first bag. And if any other face turns up, a ball is taken from the second bag. The probability of choosing a black ball is, here we need to select black color ball. Okay, so first we want to select a particular bag A1. So we want to select the black color ball. First see here how to select first bag. First bag P of A1. If your die rolled, what is the probability of getting face 1 or 3? 1 or 3. There are two numbers out of 6. This is P of A1. If you got probability like this, so you can select the first bag. Now I am going to second bag. If you are rolled die except to 1 or 3, total 6 numbers now. Except 1 or 3 means remaining 4 faces are there. Out of face, 4 faces, get any one. So P of A1 is equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Now P of A2 is equal to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Now we want to select white color ball in first bag. W by A1. P of W by A1. W means white color. White color ball. So how many white colors are there in first bag? There are 3 white colors. Total 7. Probability of selecting white color ball in second bag. A2. Total white color, how many are there? 4. White color 4. Total 7. Now finally we want to select white color ball only. Required probability. What is that? Probability of getting white color ball. First to select bag. I am going to select first bag. In that bag, we can draw a white color ball plus second bag P of A2 into P of W by A2. First to select the bag, then pick the color. What you need. P of A1 is 1 by 3. P of W by A1, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3, 4 by 7. Students here calculate total LCM is 21. Numerator 3, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So required probabilities 11 by 20. An urn contains 5 white and 7 black balls. Second urn contains 7 white, 8 black balls. One ball is transferred from the first urn to the second urn without noticing its color. A ball is now drawn at random from second urn. The probability that it is a white. It is a white. So first here, observe that there are two bags. There are two bags. In first bag, how many balls are there? See. 1 second. In first bag, there are white and black balls. 5 white, 7 black balls. In second bag, 7 white, 8 black balls. Okay. So here we want to select probability of white color. Probability of white color, that is equal to, first select white color ball in first bag. Here see that in first bag I am taken white color. This is first draw. First draw. In second draw also we want to select white color only. This is first case. In case in first urn I draw red color, but in second draw I want to select white only. Sir, no. First see that I am going to select first draw. That is bag A. What is the probability of selecting white color ball? 5 by 13. The selected ball transferred to second bag. So in first bag, I am selected white color ball. It is transferred to second bag. At the time, the second bag is going to increase one white color ball. Yes or no? Okay. Now in second bag, we are going to pick the white color ball. In second bag, now total, how many balls are there? There are 16 balls. Out of 16, select one white color ball. This is the first case. Now, second case, again go to the starting. In first bag, I am going to select black color. Black color. How many black colors are there? There are 7, total 12. So black color ball selected and placed in second bag. At the time, the black color balls is going to increase. But the total number of balls in second bag, 16. Here we want to select white color. How many are there white color? 7. This is the required probability of selecting white color ball in second draw. Second draw. See that second draw is white only. First draw. So we are changed. One time white, second time black. What is the LCM, students? 12 into 16 is the LCM. 40 plus 49. 89 divided by 12 into 16. 192. This is the answer. Second option correct. Read the question. A urn contains 6 white, 4 black balls. Urn contains 6 white and 4 black balls. A fair dice whose faces are numbered 1 to 6 is rolled. the number of balls equal to that of the number appearing on the die is drawn from the urn at random. The probability that all those are white. All those are white. In urn, for suppose you are picking, so first you want to roll the die. If you got number 1, draw the 1 white color ball. If you got the number 2, draw the 2 white color balls. If you got number 6, so draw the 6 white color balls. This is the problem. Okay. Now on the die, how many faces are there? You know very well. The sample points also. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to do that 6 times. 6 times. Now, first time, roll the die. If you got number 1, if you got the number 1, second time, number 2, third time, number 3, fourth time, number 4, fifth time, number 5, sixth time. Okay. So probability of selecting white color ball. A with the event of rolling a die. A with the event of rolling a die. So here, first, P of A, P of W by A. That means A with the event of getting number 1, B with the event of getting number 2, C with the event of getting number 3, and finally F be the event of getting number 6. These are all equally likely events. Yes or no? P of A, P of B, P of C, and so on up to P of F. What is the probability of getting number? 1 by 6. Okay. So P of A into P of W by A, second draw. P of B into P of W by A, and so on. What is the last one? P of F into P of W by F. Now P of A, first roll the die. What is the probability of getting number 1? That is 1 by 6. If you got 1 point, draw the 1 white color ball. Total how many balls are there? White 6, black 4, totally 10. Out of 10 can be select 1. Those is white color ball, 6C1. 6C1. Okay. Now go to the second draw. Probability of selecting a number 2. That probability is 1 by 6. Now we want to select two balls. That is, out of 10 balls, draw 2 balls. Those are white color only. Plus third draw, 1 by 6. If you are rolling a die, you got the number 3. You got the number 3. Number 3. Then 3 balls we need to select. Out of 10 balls can be selected 3 balls. Those selected balls are white only. Next, 1 by 6, 4 balls now. 10C4, 6C4, plus 1 by 6, 10C5, 6C5, plus 1 by 6 into 6C6 by 10C6. Now here overall observe that 1 by 6 is common. 1 by 6 common. 6C1, 6, 10C1, 10 plus 6C2, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 2 3s are 15. 10C2, 10 into 9 by 1 into 2, 45 plus 6C3, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, that is 20. 10C3, 10, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8 by 1, 2, 3. 10, 9, 8 by 1, 2, 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 4 3s are 12, 12 10s are 120 plus 6C4, that means 6C2. 6C2 value already we know that. Now what is 10C4? Here 7, here is 4. 4 4 cancel. 7 3s are 21, 210. Next 6C3 completed. 64 complete. 6C5, that is 6. 10C5, here write that 6, here 5. Now 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 is 6 6 are 36, 36 into 7, 252. 252. Next, last one, 6C6, how much? 1 by 10C6. 10C6 means that is 10C4. 10C4 value how much? 210. This is. So take the LCM and calculate, you will get the answer. Okay? Urn A contains 6 red, 4 black balls. Urn B contains 4 red, 6 black. Write here clearly. Urn A, red and white color balls. 6 red, 4 white. Urn B, 4 red, 6 black. One ball is drawn at random from A and placed in B. Then one ball is drawn at random from B and placed in A. If one ball is now drawn from A, then probability that it is found to be red. It is found to be red. So here, see here, 3 times we want to pick a ball. 3 times. First, we want to select a one color ball in urn A. Pick up that and write the probability and keep in second urn. Again, draw the ball, see the color and write the probability and again place it in A. Okay. Then finally, again draw the ball in urn A. What is the probability of getting a red color ball? So here we want to draw 3 times. First A bag, placed in B. Again we want to select B bag, placed in A. Again we want to select red color ball. So the final stage is red color only. Now, how many different cases are possible? That is important here. Probability of selecting red color ball. See here. First draw red color, second draw red color, third draw also red color. Third draw is fixed red color. For suppose second draw is red, first draw is red, second draw is white, third draw is red. For suppose first draw is white, second draw is red, third draw is fixed, now that is red. First draw is white, second draw also white, third draw is red. Here overall observe that third draw is fixed. Third draw is fixed, that is a red color ball. Okay. Now students, see here, First to draw. I'm going to first bag. In first bag, how many balls are there? There are 10. Select one red color, 6. It is placed in bag B. That means in bag B, there are going to increase one ball. Okay. Which color? Red color. That's why I am added in red color ball. See. After adding the ball, how many balls are there in second bag? There are 11. Pick one ball. That ball is color. What is the color? Red color. Out of 5 balls, can pick one. It is placed in again. Where? Where? First draw. First bag. That means in that first bag, red colors are same. The total number of balls also same. Now here we get 6 by 10 plus. Next, I am going to second case. Again, go to the starting onwards. In first bag, draw the red color. What is the probability? 6 by 10. Placed in second bag. That's why red color balls is going to increase. Now draw the one ball in second bag. Now in second bag, totally 11 balls. What we want to select? White color. Out of 6 white, select one. The selected white, we are placed in where? First bag. That means already we are picked one red color. So in first bag, there are only 5 red color. Now 4 white. Now we are going to add one white color ball. Okay. Now what is the probability of getting red color ball? Total 10. Out of 5 red color can be select 1. Okay. Now I am going to third case. See, third case. First we want to select white color. How many are there white? 4 by 10. Here I am selected white color, placed in bag B. So in bag B, balls are increased, total 11. We want to select a red color ball. How many are there red color? Only 4, 4 by 11. A red color ball placed in first bag and come back. Here we are selected white color ball. At that time, 6 red, 3 white. We are placed in second bag. In second bag, we are selected red color ball, again placed in A. So that means in urn A, a red color ball is going to increase. But the total is same, 10. Out of 7 red color, select 1. That is 7 by 10 plus. Now students, third case, listen carefully. White color ball. White color means 4 by 10. 4 by 10. What we are selected? White color ball and placed in bag B. So white color is going to increase. Now in second bag, total 11. We want to select white color. 7 ways. The selected white color ball, where we are placed, before placing the ball, how many balls are there in first bag? Tell me. 6 red, 3 white only. Now, one ball we are placed in first bag, that is white color. So white color is going to increase, total 10 only, but we want to select red color, that is 6 by 10. Overall, see the answer. What is the LCM? 10 into 10 into 11. This is LCM. Numerator, 6 5s are 30. 30. 30 into 6, 180. Plus, this is also 180. Plus, 4 4s are 16. 16 into 7. 16 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 112. 112 plus 4 into 7 into 6. 6 fours are 24. 24 into 7. How much? 7 fours are 28. 7 twos are 14. 168. Yeah, 168. Students, calculate total. How much you are getting? 8 to 10. So 0, 1, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16, 8, 24, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 by 10, 10, 11. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 2 5s are 232, sir. So answer is 32 by what? 55. 32 by 55. So which option correct, students? First option correct. 2 by 3 of students of a class are boys and the rest are girls. It is given that the probability of a girl getting first class is 0.25 and same for a boy is 0.25. From the class, a student is selected at random. The probability that the student is a first class student. First class student. Here, take that A be the event of boy. B be the event of selecting a girl. Girl. E be the event of first class student. E be the event of first class student. Here student means either boy or girl. Anyone, no problem. Now, the probability that the student is a first class student. First class student given, but they didn't mention that either a boy or girl. Okay. Now, P of E, that meaning is the probability of first class student. First select a boy. Boy means A. Then select that class. P of E by A. What is the probability of selecting first class student? Whose student is a boy. Next, girl. P of B. P of E by B. This is the total theorem formula. First, I am going to write P of A. A be the event of selecting a boy. 2 by 3 of students of a class are boys. That means P of A is 2 by 3. Then what about P of B? Total probability minus 2 by 3. Subtract that. Remaining girls only, that is 1 by 3. What is the probability of selecting a boy whose student is first class? So already given. Given that the probability of a girl getting first class is 0. Same as for a boy. Boy 0.28. P of E by B 0.25. So those values substitute in this formula. P of A means 2 by 3. E by A means 0.28 plus P of B means how much? 1 by 3 into P of E by B 0.25. This is. Students calculate. LCM is 3. 0.28 into 2. 0.56. plus 0.25. Overall, observe that 0.25, 0.56, 0.81 divided by 3. How many times? 0.32s are 6. 3 sevens are 21. Answer is 0.27. Third option correct.